Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to share a screen on Zoom from PC. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to share your screen on Zoom from a PC using the Zoom web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom's website, or just open the Zoom web app and log in with your account credentials if prompted. Once logged in, you will be directed to this homepage where you'll see the main icons in the center, including New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. On the homepage, locate the Share Screen icon in the center and click Can Impute the Meeting ID. So here you have to enter the sharing key or the meeting ID, and once you're done typing the meeting ID of the session where you wish to share your screen, go ahead and click on Share Screen. Once you've joined the meeting, you'll be presented with options for what to share. Options usually include desktop, window, or tab if you're using Chrome or Edge browsers. Now select the screen or specific window you want to share by clicking on it. And after selecting your preferred screen or window, click the Share button at the bottom right corner of the selection window. A notification bar or toolbar typically will appear at the top of the screen, indicating that the screen sharing is active. You will also see controls to pause or stop sharing if needed. You can also manage screen sharing during the meeting, which is pretty much optional. Now, if you need to change what you're sharing during the session, locate the toolbar and select New Share to switch between screens or windows. Now, when you're finished sharing your screen, click Stop Share in the toolbar at the top of your screen. This guide ensures you're using the share screen feature directly from the homepage, aligned with the new Zoom web app interface layouts which you have in here. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.